Hey there, so in this video we are going to talk about this plugin called Hugeicons. So recently I wanted to have some free icons for my WordPress site, and why I want to have icons which I can use very easily. So I was searching into the Google and tried to search any plugin available. Then I called my developer friend and he suggested me this plugin. So I tried this plugin and I found that this is very easy to use plugin. So that is why I am sharing this plugin with you guys, so that you can also check this out if you find it useful and easy. So I have already installed this plugin, Huge Icons. Huge Icons or Huge Icons, I'm not sure. So then so it's very easy, nothing's fancy. If we go to setting, it says free icons. They have their pro icons as well, but so free icons were enough for me. So let me show you how does that work. So let's say I'm going to add home over here, and then in the drop down we have this button called huge icons. So I'm gonna search home over here and let's add this. So basically it adds shortcode. Then let's say I want activity. Let's see if this icon available or not. And yeah, we have variation of activities. So like this. Then let's say group. Let's see if the group icon is there or not. So yeah, we have the groups. So basically you will have all your icons free using this plugin, and it's easy to add. So let's publish this and let's see how does it look. So this is how it is looking like. So yeah, this is what huge icons does. I will provide link into the description section of this plugin. And yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.